going to get into the switch kick on a later video. There's many differences. We already focused on the lead round kick, now we're getting into the step round kick. Okay, so it's from your front leg. So what's happening is, I'm stepping in actually, okay? This is best when you throw a technique. That's the way I like to do it. I'm throwing a jab, okay? And then I step back, okay? So you'll see everybody doing the switch kicks, okay? But this is the step kick. I have to mask that. I usually don't do it with a cross. I can do it after a cross. But I have to mask it. So stepping over, okay? Hands up. Kick. Okay? Step to ribs. Okay? Step to high. Okay? Actually block the head kick. Give it a good block. So we're here. Okay? So that's the retraction. One more time. Okay? And we're kicking through our opponent. So from the front, masking it, the foot's coming sideways. From here, okay? Our hip is turning over, and we're getting the extra distance. When I'm here, the distance, if I was kicking up, look where my distance is at. When I kick with the foot turned over, look at my distance. See, I don't even have to initiate. Okay, high again. When I'm here. Okay? So we're going to show more applications of this technique. It's application of the step round kick. So this is amazing from a jab, okay, across to come back. See? That is a good, like I'm here, okay, I'm throwing the cross, then my hip's coming back, okay, and this is an amazing way to throw the high kick though. Do you want to cover when I go? So I'm stepping in, okay, so that's just barely a little tap right there, but you can actually knock people, your foot come through, okay? So we're here, step in, something to get his attention, finger jab, okay? So it's really good off of jabs, really good off of crosses, and if he throws a jab, also a good counter. This isn't as good as the counter of the standing round kick we did earlier though, because you're just taking your head out of line. So that is the stepping round kick. You okay? Yeah. I tried to throw it a little bit, you okay? That felt like a nasty whip feeling when I did that first.
Oh, it's properly checked, it's fine.